Hey, welcome back to Creations by Kim. I'm gonna just play with some stuff. I've been doing some request stuff so much lately that anyway, I'm kind of getting, I don't know, I just want to do my own thing. So anyway, I have picked some colors here, and I have Artist Loft Portrait Pink, Artist Loft Brilliant Magenta. I couldn't read that for some dumb reason. And then Master's Touch Ultramarine. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a dirty flip cup here and pour. And I will tell you that using these, they were a lot thicker than, say, the Apple Barrel brand. This is more liquidy. I believe it's more of like a craft paint, where this is more of artist grade. Very good quality paint. But I also had to use a lot more Floetrol in it, which was my pouring medium that I use this time. But I was only going to mix a little bit for just this one, and these are like a 5-ounce cup, and they're probably like 4.5 ounces in there. So it definitely a little goes a long way with the high quality paints. I was actually I knew they were thicker. I've heard that before, but I didn't realize how much thicker. And I probably should have shown that a little bit. They kind of just squirted out tubular, and I don't know. I'd have to, I guess, on my next video or next time I'm mixing up some paint, I'll display that. But I wanted to get it down to my usual thinness, so it took a lot. And I'm not for sure exactly how much I put in there, 1/2 to 1 ounce, but it looks like it's 3 to 4 times however much paint. I had to put 3 or 4 more times. Apparently I can't talk now. Of Floetrol in it to get it to this thin. So anyway, we'll see how it goes and everything. So anyway, let's get started. And I will have all the colors and medium and everything I used in the description below. So here we go. go. All right. Well, we're going to call that good. I think that was a nice, quick and easy one. I think I mixed paint a lot longer than I actually painted there. So I'll continue to watch it and catch the drip offs and stuff. So anyway, thanks for joining me for Creations by Kim and everything, and I guess we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and if you have something to comment, go ahead and hit the comments and let me know what you think about this one, and if you want me to try any particular other colors. And I guess I will see y'all next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.